Hey, my loves. I am so happy to be speaking to you guys right now. I'm sorry it's been a minute since I put out a video. So I wanted to come out on YouTube land just to let y'all know that I'll be coming out in a few weeks with some new videos. I know I've been posting up a lot of shorts, but you know, I've had some medical issues. Well, not medical issues. I had well, yeah, it is, to take care of. All right, I'm doing well, thank you. I had to have surgery. So I just want to let y'all know that, and that I didn't disappear. I'm sorry if I haven't been posting up any new videos, but I just wanted to come out here and say, guys, I love you all, and I appreciate you all for supporting my channel. And you guys appreciate this material that I'm putting out there. Okay, so I'll be coming back within a few weeks, coming back with some new videos. And if you have any ideas or suggestions that you want me to cook for y'all, let me know. Drop it in the comment box, okay? And we'll do that. Okay, so guys, I just want to say have a beautiful day, and I need you to do 3 things for me, and that is eat, love, and pray. Oh, and if you're just looking at this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press that notification bell so you can be notified of all my new upcoming videos, guys, and spread the word and let everybody know about Jackie's cooking. Okay? Mwah. Guys, I'll see y'all later. Bye.